Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Katie Austin here with Danielle, and I'm so excited because we are doing an on-the-go workout routine.
I am so excited because I have a podcast, Gals on the Go, and I was telling Katie, I feel like I'm in between meetings or, maybe we're waiting for a flight. I don't know if I have the confidence.
In the airport, anywhere, anytime, we're gonna do some arm workouts. So it's gonna be a great arm sequence no matter where you are. If you're in the office, if you just need a little energy boost, this is perfect for you.
I'm so excited.
Are you ready?
Let's do this.
You need no weights, but if you want to add a little bit of wrist weights or anything that's to add a little bit more of a challenge, go for it.
Hold some water bottles.
Exactly. So ready stance position right here. So feet hip distance apart, knees a little bit bent, hips tucked under, zip up the core, shoulders down and back. Now this is the stance we're gonna do for all of the workout moves. You're gonna take those elbows by your hips just like that, and let's just start with a nice serve the platter. Beautiful. Now, you're not gonna feel it at first. You're gonna be like, okay, this is not doing much. But after a minute, your upper body is gonna start to fire up.
Already feeling it, don't worry.
Yeah, obviously same.
Just a few in. What are we serving up, Katie?
We're serving up
platter.
confidence. We're serving up empowerment.
Upset.
All the buzzwords.
I was like espresso martini, but that works too.
Yeah. Margaritas.
Yes.
Let's add a little bit of a rotator cuff move right here too, and then serve the platter.
Ooh.
Rotator cuff. Yes. Beautiful shoulders. Inhale, exhale. I always like to add a little bit of a bounce to it too.
It distracts you.
It distracts you. Squeezing the glutes. We have 4, 3, 2. Let's hold the arms up in 1. Arm circle it out. Great. Again, don't forget, squeezing the abs, squeezing the glutes.
Good reminder. I forgot.
Yeah, I always forget. Like move 3, I'm like, oh, thank you for the reminder.
Right.
Squeezing the biceps too, making sure you're giving me 110%, especially because it's no equipment. We have 3, we have 2, and let's reverse the other way. Skirt, skirt. How y'all doing? We feeling it?
They have to be. If I am,
Have to be.
please.
Come on.
Are you feeling it?
I'm feeling it. I'm
Perfect.
feeling it. And if you're not feeling it, you need to squeeze those biceps tighter. We have 4, 3, 2. Do not let your arms down. Let's goalpost those arms in a tiny little pulse. This is great for the back and the shoulders.
Go to the beat of a good song.
Yes.
Hey.
Absolutely. Really pulse for 8, 7, 6. Okay, now we're really starting to fire up. 4, 3, no breaks. 2 and 1. Elbows together just like this. Forearms pressing between your palms and start to pulse a tiny bit up. Inch up and down for that prayer pulse. For 8, 7. Now, if you're not feeling it enough, then you need to press harder between the palms, harder between those forearms. We have 6. Yeah. 4, 3, 2, chest openers in 1. Here we go. Little bit of a cool off at the same time, but still making sure we're getting the chest, we're getting the shoulders.
This is so good to do in your hotel room.
Yes, if you're
Before
traveling,
the day.
you're on the go.
On the go.
No
this
matter
is what
where
I
you
need.
are. We must
We must.
increase the
Wait,
box.
I was gonna say that. I was like, is that where we're going right now? What
Yeah,
a throwback.
100%.
We must.
We must.
Cross our bus. Wow. Throwback.
Woo! For 3, for 2, let's add one more part of the sequence in 1. Let's still go post those arms, but a little bit of chicken wing arms.
Ooh.
Yeah. Just showing you that you can really work and sculpt and tone the arms with no weights needed. We have 8, 7, keeping the elbows at a 90-degree angle. 6, 5, 4, 3. We're going overhead press in 2 and 1. Great. Press up. Beautiful. Don't forget to breathe. Inhale through the nose and exhale. Awesome. Almost there. We only have one move after this to really get the back of the arms and triceps. How are we feeling?
We're feeling great, Katie.
I'm actually breaking a sweat, by the way.
Oh, I'm
starting
totally
to break a
sweat.
sweat.
No, it's good. Morning sweat.
Yeah. For 3, leave your hands in the air. 2, 1, hold right there. Now fingertips together. Little tricep extension action right here. Great. Now to feel this more, palms together and press between the palms. Again, your hips are tucked under, your glutes are tight. Feeling this in the back of your arms. The hard to reach area. We have 8, 7. Finish it strong. This is the last move.
I'm telling myself that. Oh.
4. Squeeze the abs tighter, squeeze the glutes tighter. 2. 1 more. And relax, shake it off.
Oh,
shake it
wow.
off.
That really builds up, huh?
And also what you guys can do is just repeat this 3 times through, and that will give you an amazing 15-minute.
Obsessed. Thanks, Katie. I love
Yay!
that.
On the go workout.
Amazing.
Thanks
You
for
too.
tuning in.
Thanks for letting me work out with you.
Yay.